नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुह. I am Afi Abdul Samad. I am coming with a good news to you all people today. You all are well aware of the panic condition due to coronavirus. To get rid of any kind of illness and worry, our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam had given us a weapon in form of dua when he was asked by his uncle Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu anhu. This dua is very short and easy. One can recite this dua in kind of problem related to health, wealth and worry. Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu anhu, the uncle of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, teach me a dua. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O my uncle, say, Allahumma inni as'aluka al-afiyah. Oh Allah, I ask you for afiyah. What is afiyah? Afiyah means to save me from any afflictions. To be healthy, you are in afiyah. To have enough money to live, you are in afiyah. To have children protected, you are in afiyah. And if you are forgiven and not punished, you are in afiyah. Afiyah means, Oh Allah, protect me from any pain and suffering. This includes dunya and akhirah. Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu anhu thought about this for a while and then came back after a few days and said, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, this dua seems a little short. I want something big. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, My dear uncle, ask Allah Ta'ala for afiyah, for wallahi, you cannot be given anything better than afiyah. Dear brothers and sisters, it is a simple dua. Sincerely mean what you say. Oh Allah, I ask you to be saved from any distress, grief, hardship and harm. All of this is included in Allahumma inni as'aluka al-afiyah wa ma alayna illa al-balagh.